Hi folks, we're just demonstrating our rising ghost that we'll have on eBay. And as you see, he starts off at about 20 inches tall and rises to about 39 inches. This is a wonderful prop and people will be filming this on Halloween, I assure you. Makes spooky sounds. He retracts up and down. And the extension bar that enables him to move up and down is all metal, just like the old car antennas. You could use him indoors, or you could use him outdoors in a protected area. And you can see underneath, we'll show you, he can operate with either, right now I have him operating on 4 AA rechargeable batteries, which are not included. And he also comes with an electric wall wart that you would plug in right here. And so if you have electricity available where you'll be using them, you don't have to worry about the batteries. But he works, obviously you see he works fantastic on batteries. There's also a foot pad that you could get for him. That was an option that we did not get. It would plug in right here. And to use him with a foot pad, you just move the switch over to the foot pad side, and then he'll only activate when you step on a foot pad. But again, we don't have that option. I'm sure it's available at Spirit Halloween. So he'll be on eBay, and he has some Velcro so the shroud doesn't blow around on both the feet. And you can see he's pretty small until he extends, and he just is really wonderful. A lot of attention this will get for Halloween. And also we like to put a sandbag on top of him, covered by his clothing, and just to keep him stationary when using him outside or on a covered porch. He is not waterproof. So anyway,